And they're off. Come and make your way down to the line, guys. We've got a display for you. Got the by Road Racing. We've got some of the top pilots flying right now in the world. Some of the fastest pilots flying right now in the world. Oh, I'm not flying either, but I am one of the top. Chi is coming through the start gate now, and he's making his way back around the course. We've got some amazing pilots: Tom Stanton, Brett Collis, Matthew Evans, Lee Whitfield, sorry. These guys are absolute flames. And they're coming up to the straight. And Chi has something from that quad. Has he lost the battery? Is the battery on fire? Is that pyrotechnics I see? It's absolutely amazing. Look at, oh my days, that looks amazing. Do a power loop. Cartwheel. Go through the tunnel. Oh, damn son! Brilliant.